Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Logitech G915 10 keyboard in white and it's in tactile. So the reason why I got this keyboard was because I have a Corsair K70 keyboard and it is wired. So I wanted to go wireless, and because I have a kind of a Logitech setup with my G304 mouse and also my G560 speaker, that's why I got this G915 keyboard. So we're gonna do a little unboxing and we're gonna test out the keyboard and just also gonna do a sound test for the clickiness of the keyboard, I would say. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so let's begin the unboxing of the Logitech G915 white 10 keyboard. As you can see, I'm struggling. So straight out of the box, you see the white keycaps and also the aluminum base finish. Now let's put the keyboard aside. Inside the box, we have the USB Type B cable and also the wireless Lightspeed dongle. And we also have a manual and some Logitech stickers. Now at the back of the keyboard, you have the white finish and also the gray rubber pads. Now I'm gonna take off the plastic and we're gonna see the different side views of the keyboard. Here you see a different angle, and yeah, that's it. Let's continue on with the review. Okay, now we are at the Logitech website for the G915 10 keyboard. Okay, here you can see the mechanical switches. So you can click on here and you can see the type of profiles. We have tactile, linear, and clicky. So ours is tactile, so you can let's listen to it. Here's the linear and the clicky. Again, tactile, linear, and clicky. Okay, from here you can also see the actuation distance, total travel, average force, and the tactile force. For ours is the GL tactile. You have 1.5 mm actual distance, a total travel of 2.7 mm, and an average force of 50s. So you can also go through here and just read up on the Logitech website. Sorry. Okay, if you go down, you can see you can download the Logitech G Hub here for free, and then when you go into the Logitech G Hub, they will show you the different Logitech peripherals you have. For me, the mouse and the keyboard, and also the headset. Not connected yet as of now. So it will show you the battery level here. Since I'm charging right now, so you see a little Thunderbolt Thunder logo. Now if you click here, you can set the lighting here. As for now, I'm going with a color wave, sorry, it's a rainbow type. Then you can also edit the command here, what this certain command do. You can edit that, also the macros here. And there's also a game mode where you can disable certain keys. Right now I disabled these 3 keys, and you can also edit whichever key you want. For example, when you're playing game with WASD and you accidentally always hit the caps button, you can just disable this key. So yeah, that's about it for the G Hub. If you go down further, you can see you have 2 modes, which is the wireless Lightspeed and also the Bluetooth mode. And here you have the dedicated media control. You can increase and decrease the volume, playback, stop the music, or whatever you like. Okay, so the specification of the keyboard. So the length, we have 368 mm, we have 150 mm width, and also a height of 22 mm for the keyboard. And also we have the weight of 810 gram. And also the battery life of the keyboard when connected to with the RGB is about 40 hours. Okay, now we're gonna do a little sound test of the keyboard. Okay, right now I'm in the wireless light speed mode. As you can see here, I'm gonna type. Right? Okay, so I'm gonna switch to a Bluetooth mode here, and then so let's go and just wait a while and see if it's connected. So I'm gonna type here. So it's connected to Bluetooth. So good thing about this keyboard is you can switch between wireless light speed and also the Bluetooth mode here. So let's change back and let's type again. So yeah, it's very fast, which is what I like about this keyboard. So let's go through about it. So here you got a Logitech G logo over here, and then all these key rubber pads here. So this is the dedicated media control, the volume up and down, and you can change the colors, brightness here also. Right, so as for the height, right now I'm at 8 degrees. So there's another level here. You can put this down and you can only use the 4 degrees. So here, and then you can also reduce the height to make it very low profile here. So then see again, if I increase to 8 degrees, you can see the difference. So this is about 22 mm in height, so better wrist ergonomics here. So yeah, that's about it for the review. Hope you guys like it, and if I miss out anything, do comment down, and yeah, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and I see you the next time.